3, 2, 1, let's begin. Welcome to Newstead Test 10, Non-Verbal Reasoning Subtest 6. So first instruction, you must turn the mic all the way up. The volume will be very clear. I'm going to step back and then you can still hear it. Turn the mic up right now. Here we go. So question 1, there are two large triangles, each made up of 4 small triangles. One of the small triangles has been left empty. Decide which of the 5 should fill the empty triangle and mark its letter on the answer sheet. Here we go. So these questions, one way to do it is like you go from one to the other, like this, one to the other, and there could be a pattern change. Now the other way to do it is maybe there's a pattern within the triangle and then we work it out. Count with me. 2 circles, 3, 1, and now there are quite a few lines. That is 6. Okay, so what do we notice about all the shapes and then the lines? Well, they total up, they add up to get it. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. Let's do the same thing here. 2, 2, 3, so we need the one with 7 lines, and whichever one that is, if I need to zoom in, maybe squint. 7, no, nope. My goodness. Is this an 11 plus question or an eye test? Nope. I hope it's that one. Yeah. Okay, that's too much. There we go. E is the answer. Next. Question 2. Okay, so going from one to the other. Right. There's got to be some pattern somewhere. How about these two? That might give it away. It's a reflection. Imagine the mirror line is like this. Then reflect and then the colors move. We do the same thing here. Mirror this, and then it'll be that. See that triangle? That will be there. I'm going to mirror this, so then it is a vertical line. I'll show you. Copy. Reflect on the vertical here. And then show again. Here. Reflect. It's like you turn it that way. Flip. Vertical. There. Now it's not doing the feature right. No, for some reason. Here. Look at these two. They're basically giving it away. Top one. That is going the other way. That is the same way. And then in the middle, going to left, going to right. So it's just a reflection. Okay, we got this. Reflect. That way. So that means that's like this one. That'll be here. So it'll be going down and it will be black, the color switch as well. So the first one will be black. And then the others will go up. 2 white, 1 black. So now it'll be 2 black, 1 white. So that's out. So it's either B or E. If we go down, then we reflect things up now. Down, down, up. So that going down will be here, and then now that one going up. So there we go. B is the answer. Next. Question 3. Okay. Black dots count. I bet there's a connection between black and white. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2. How many here? 6. So maybe there's a way to use the black to get the black and the white. We separate. And then we get the middle. Maybe we add. What else to do? Maybe black equals white. Brilliant. That might be a nice way to see it. Write it with me if this is new for you. 5 plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2. Brilliant. Colors, separating it. We have a pattern. Do it here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. So we're saying 4 plus 5 equals 1 plus what? And that number should be 8. Let's find it. 8-sided shape. No. That's a 50p coin. 8. Good. Next question. Question 4. Looking at that middle circle. Can you see the patterns really stand out to me? The patterns really stand out in that sense. Well, we get it. Each pattern you just go down and then we find it. So here, we're just saying white, white, white. It's got to be a triple white. Yes. B's the answer. Next. Question 5. Okay, so much to look at. It's time to count. What else to do, mate? Right, now what really stands out to me, well, we don't have to just look at this triangle. We go from one triangle to the other because they look the same. So what stands out is the black to the bold, really. Black and then that bold outline. And can you see white? That white one will now be black. So maybe there's a color change. Let's do it here. Look at the black circles. Now they become the bold outline. The white circles become black. So there we go. We got a color change. So we're going to do the same thing here. White rectangles become black. So those two green ones, black here and then black here. Yes. There's an extra black there, so no. No, that should be black. Too many, no. Yes. Okay, now another color change. Black becomes bold. So those two blue ones, bold here, bold there. Bold, bold, no, that should be bold, no. Here, bold looks good, so E's left. And just to make sure with the last one, can't remember, mate. What am I doing? Bold, and then those two should be white, because bold outline goes to white, and here can you see white, white? There we go, E's the answer. Question 6, okay. Lines here, maybe we go from one to the other. Is it about counting? No. It's probably not about counting because it's a hard Newstead question. So, what's another thing to consider? Well, the lines are crisscrossing. So let's do that. 0 here, 1, 2, 2. Okay, well now we can go from one triangle to the other. How many points it crosses? 1. This one, 3. This one, 3. So what are we saying? Well, the number of crossing points to go from one shape to the other will be 1 more. Do the same here. 1 crossing point. We expect 2 crossing points. Yes. No. That that's 3 crossing points. 4, way too much. So there we go. Fantastic question. Looks really random. We might think count the number of lines. No, it's going to be a hard question. Question 7. Okay, when I look at this, now what sticks out to me is those random little lines here. Line, but who cares? There's a line and then don't even know what to do. Now, what's the other thing that sticks out? It is the circles. See? How about this middle one? 1 circle to 2 circles. Okay, so what, William? So what? Well, this one has none. 0 to 1. Okay. Does it work for the top one? Fantastic. Here. 0 circles to 1. So maybe that's it. Because I don't see any other connection between the number of sides on the shape. We go from 0 to 1. So it looks like the number of circles we plus 1 will get that one. So here, that pentagon, who cares about that little line? We're just going to add 1, so expect 1 circle. Yes, no. There we go. A is the answer. Question 8, I really like this one. Okay, here, lots of shapes. No choice, mate, no choice. Count. 5, 5, 10. 4, count. 6, here, 5, 11. And then this one, 6. Okay. Do you just add up everything, or is just one shape to the other? Maybe. Because it's within a triangle, we go to the other one. Alright, how about here? Going from 4 to 5 plus 3, 8. So that's plus 4. Okay. 6 to what? Well, that's 5. That's a pentagon, and then 7, so 12. Okay, well, 6 to 12, that is double. Ah, very nice. 11, so I'm expecting 22 in this random shape. Oh my gosh. It looks a bit scary, doesn't it? So much to consider. 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 6. 10 plus 12 is 22. So there we go, we double. 10 times 2 equals 20. It's got to be 20 sides here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. No, cross it off. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 6. Yeah, looks good, B. Let's just check a few more just to make sure. 5, 8, 11. Nope. Here, 3, 6, 9. 5, 5. 9 plus 10, 19. Nope, just out. And here, 3, 5, 8, 6, 14. There we go. So, B is the answer. Fantastic question. We double each one to get the next one. 10 times 2 equals 20. 9 minutes in, let's carry on. Question 9. Now, the thing that stands out to me is it the loops? Nope. The loops are all in the same place, just some ovals. What stands out to me are the little circles. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already that is +1. Looking good. How about here? Yeah, 1 + 1 will be 2. Sorry, 1, 1, 2, 3. That'll be +2. Let me just count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ignore me. I don't know what I'm doing, except I do. You just change your mind. So what? So what? +2 here. And then this one, 0 + 2 is 2. So 3 + 2, expect there to be 5 little circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 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 Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Dun, too many. 6. We want the 5. Good stuff. D is the answer. Okay, question 10. We're 10 minutes in, just 3 more questions, job done. After this, you deserve a break. Here we go. So it's either within the triangle or we go to it. Now, can you see if we go here, that's +3. That's what confused me when I was first doing this question, so I checked the mark scheme just to make sure. Here, that's -6. -6. So that's a bit weird. But then maybe this is +3, you see. That's one way to look at it, yeah. See, they've actually said it a different way. They did this in the mark scheme. +1, so +1. And then here, +1, +1. I don't really mind which way you go. I don't really mind which way. So it's +1, so it's got to be 8, because you can have it here, 7 + 1 is 8. Or you see that blue arrow, 5 + 3 is 8. All right, let's chop those off. Okay, so it's a bit messy. I'm going to paste it again. Going to paste it again there. So it's got to be 8. Right, let's see. And now let's just look at the direction of these digits. Dun, dun, dun. That one, move it over. Can you see this one? That one is like upside down. Yeah, okay, so what, William? So what? Well, if I upside down this digit, this will be upside down as well. And that's the cool thing. Maybe that is a feature we need to think about. Upside down 8 is still an 8, so they look good. Nope. Nope. Brilliant. Brilliant. B is the answer. 2 more questions, job done. Question 11. All right. Now, it's very similar to a question we did before because it's like whites and blacks. We can separate that feature. So, well, let's look at this. You see, with these grid questions, with these triangle questions, maybe from here to there. Right, how do we get there? We spin the whole thing round? Yes, we do. We spin it round. Imagine that is like 12 o'clock. I'm going to spin it around to get 9 o'clock. So what is William trying to say? Well, we spin it 90 degrees anti-clockwise. You can write that above. Okay, so 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and we can check that here. It works. Spin this dude round, and then it'll be that way. Yeah, good. Now each arrow is giving it away anyway. 12 will go to 9 o'clock, and 3 will go to 12 o'clock. So we do the same thing here. 12, it will face 9 here. Nope. No, hang on. I think I got it the other way around. Hang on. So this one, we're going from this to that. Gonna spin it round that way. Yeah, clockwise from here to there. Yeah, so I'm gonna spin this one clockwise just to prove it to you. I'm gonna copy that. Now I'm gonna rotate right. Can you see it actually matches that one? It's exactly the same. So that purple one is actually 90 clockwise. Okay, let's do that. So you see that red arrow? That going this way. Okay, A looks good. Yep. It's in the wrong place. Don't get rid of it yet. That's a bit lazy of me. And now this one, 90, it will go 90 degrees up. It will go up. So A may be good. Yep. This is in the wrong place, so we might reject C. That's up. So there we go. It's either A or C, but it's a bit too underneath. It should be in that position. A is the answer. Okay, one more question. Job done. Question 12, that's it. Okay. Well, what stands out to me is like this bit, and then we probably find a link here. Okay, so that's another way to do it. You see the bottom left and right. Maybe we link it here. All right, what's happening? Dun dun. Well, 4-sided shape, and now it's 5-sided shape, so to add 1. Okay, does that work here? Yes. Dotted line, and then here square, 3, and then +1 will be 4. Okay, let's apply it. Go down. That thick line will become 4. A square, a 4-sided shape. But also, the outlines are the same. So you see here, they're being really nice with the last question. They're both the same normal line, so let's get rid of this and that. Now, we got this one. Triangle, 3-sided becomes 4. Or maybe it becomes the inside one. You see, we don't know. 3 + 1, 4. Do the same thing here. 5 + 1, 6. It's got to have hexagon inside. Hexagon, nope. Nope. So it's probably E. And how can we make sure? Well, hexagon in the middle. And guess what? Well, outside will be just out of the shape. Because we don't really know if this one went inside or outside. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. That oval will be outside. There we go. Here's the answer. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. We are 16 minutes in. And that is it for this video. So, very well done. You deserve a break having watched all the way through. Normal way for me to end the video. In the top left corner will be another suitable non-verbal reasoning video to keep you learning on this channel. Maybe another Newstead video in the top left corner. And then bottom left, it will be another useful one as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.